What is up, Math Made Easy viewers? Today we will be, you know what we're doing from the title. I hope if you can read titles, that is good for you. If you just look at the thumbnail of my amazingly beautiful face, just kidding. And you just decided to come to this video, thank you for doing that. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment your ideas, because I need some ideas, because I don't know, I just default to doing math counts problems when I don't have any ideas for better ideas. So, the problem reads, what is the sum of all the integers, x, for which x squared plus 4x is less than or equal to 1. So, let's just get a 0 on that one side, because we don't know if it's a quadratic that can be factored. So, this is my second time trying to record this, so I'm using the notes from the first time. X squared plus 4x minus 1. That's not like a quadratic that we can factor using our traditional method. We'd need to pull out, all the blah, 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 the theorems and stuff. And I just don't want to do that, guys, Quadratic formula, not a good idea. Let's just look at some things. Let's try 0. Well, x squared plus 4x, so 0 plus 0 minus 1 is most definitely less than 0. Okay, let's try 1. 1 plus 4 minus 1 is not less than or equal to 0. And, minus 1, maybe? 1 minus 4 minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. It's less than 0, right? Okay. So let's try something like minus 4. 16 minus 16 minus 1 is minus 1, which is still in this range. But once we try 5, that doesn't work out, right? 25 minus 20 minus 1 is 4, not less than or equal to 0. So, yeah, so this is our set of things. Now, we can just add these up pretty easily. Say they equal minus 10, right? But this is in case we don't want to do that. You just take the largest integer, the largest thing on the list, which in this case is a minus 4. You just make it positive. So 4 times 5 over 2. 20 over 2, 10. And then you just make it negative if this was originally a negative, right? That is going to be our result, correct? If you've heard of the story about Carl Gauss, how he kind of figured out as a young boy that when the teacher told him to add up all the numbers to 100, he just was able to plug 100 into this. See, 100 times 101 over 2. That is 50-50, right? And he had the answer pretty quickly thanks to that. So, hopefully this idea that was discovered by a 7-year-old will help you at some point in your life. Definitely. So, thanks for watching, but there is a challenge. So, recently, I have gotten a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, okay? Now, I can solve it. I don't want to make this into a cubing channel, but definitely tell me if you want to see me solve the Rubik's Cube a few times. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a problem that involves my times, because I really want to figure out, how my times work out. That was a pretty good time, for me at least. So yeah, I got this on Monday, and it's Friday. So I've been doing this for a little while, but not that long. So, these were the times that I got before I recorded the video. 16:13, 21:75, 31:46, 22:25, and 18:15. The 31 is pretty bad. So I want you to find the mean, my average time for all of these. That's the first thing I want you to do. Try not to use a calculator. You will get a shout out if you give me the right answer in the comment section to that. And also this. What if I were to take the mean of all of these but exclude this outlier, right? Because you can see it's a pretty, these are all pretty close together. These are 2 seconds apart. These are 3.5 seconds apart. These are a half a second apart. But this and this are over 9 seconds apart. So that's kind of an outlier, right? That's kind of a fluke. Usually I don't get over 30 seconds, guys. Trust me, I'm not that bad. So find the mean without that. So my average without outliers. And yeah, this is Math Made Easy. Figure out that challenge for a free shout out. Like, subscribe, comment, click the bell, all that good stuff, and have a nice day.